Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the process on how to list your products on Amazon Seller Central. Let's dive in. Head over to sellercentral.amazon.com and log in to your seller account. Once logged in, look for the inventory section. This is where you'll manage your product listings. Click on Add a Product once you are on the inventory page. Since we're adding new product, so click I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Enter the product title. Next, choose the appropriate category for your product. This helps customers find your item more easily. To select the appropriate category, enter relevant keywords and search for the category that best fits your product. For example, if you're selling water bottles, you might search for categories related to sports and outdoor gear. Once you've found a suitable category, proceed with listing your product accordingly. If you have a brand name, please enter it. Otherwise, select Generic. Next, enter the product ID, such as UPC, EAN, GTIN, etc. If you don't have a product ID, click on I don't have product Idaho for new accounts. You may be asked for GTIN exemption if applicable. Proceed by clicking on the next button. This will take you to the next step in the process. Enter the bullet points for your listing. It's recommended to include 5 bullet points for SEO optimization. If you need assistance with writing SEO-optimized listing copy, feel free to contact us for support. You can visit www.babysasolutions.com or reach out to us for listing optimization services. Now, proceed to the description section. Let me copy the description and paste it into the appropriate section. Click on Upload multiple files and then proceed to the next step. Upload the product infographics. It's recommended to include 7 images for an optimized listing. Ensure that the images are of high resolution and provide sufficient information about your product. It's crucial that the images adhere to Amazon's image guidelines. Let's swiftly fill in all the required details marked with an asterisk, such as model number, material, capacity, dimensions, etc. Feel free to include any other relevant information about your product as well. Let's speed through the details filling section to keep the video concise. Enter the desired selling price for the product. In the offer section of the listing, input the SKU of your choice for product identification. Choose the condition from the drop-down menu and select the fulfillment channel. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Fulfillment by Amazon FBA since we are selling our product through FBA. Enter the list price, for now same as the selling price, and fill in all the required details in the offer section. Once completed, proceed to the Safety and Compliance section. Always ensure that you enter dimension and weight details with the correct units to avoid discrepancies in Amazon delivery charges. In the last Safety and Compliance section, enter the details. Enter the country of origin, battery requirement information, and any applicable goods regulation details, among others. Once you've entered all the details, take a quick review of all sections. If you are satisfied with the details, click on Submit to proceed. Click on the Submit button to finalize and complete the listing. In this listing, I have listed the product with recommended attributes only. However, we strongly recommend listing your product with all attributes available. By doing so, you will have access to additional attributes that can enhance your listing. Additionally, don't forget to utilize the search terms or generic keywords option, as it's crucial for optimizing your listing. And there you have it. You have successfully listed your product. Next, we will see how to create a shipment plan and send your inventory for this product to the Amazon FBA warehouse. This is the product we listed earlier. Let's click on it to open the listing on Amazon and review everything. Check if the title, bullet points, description, and product images look good. Go back to the inventory, and to create a shipment, select this product by clicking on the checkbox next to it. Then, open the Action drop-down menu, and click on Convert FBM to FBA. Click on List as FBA and Send to Amazon. This action will redirect you to the shipment creation page. Now, add or update the ship from address. If it's already added, then select it to create the shipment. Fill in all the required fields and then click on Submit to save your changes. For now, I'm skipping this part, but you can watch the same process by clicking on the I button. Now, select the address. In this video, we'll create the shipment by creating a new case pack. Let's see how. Click on the drop-down and select Create a new case pack. Here, you need to enter the details of the carton in which you are sending the products to Amazon, such as the number of units in the carton, weight, dimensions, etc. Specify who will prep the product, such as labeling. I am selecting no prep required because our products are already labeled by our prepping company. After saving the details, select the case pack from the drop-down. Now, enter the number of cartons that you want to send. I am sending 20 units in a single carton, so let's enter 1 and click on Ready to Send. Click on Confirm and Continue. You will then move to Step 2. Here you have 2 options: Amazon partnered or non-Amazon partnered courier service. I'm choosing non-Amazon partnered, but it's your choice. Choose the shipping mode: small parcel delivery or pallet delivery. For now, we are selecting small parcel delivery. If you need a pallet to ship your product, then go with pallet delivery. Select the shipping carrier and transportation method from the drop-down. If your carrier is not listed, you can select others. Choose an estimated 14-day delivery window timeline and review all the fields and charges. If you are satisfied, click Accept Charges and confirm shipping. Once you click and confirm, you will proceed to the 3rd step of printing carton labels. Here you can see the ship from and ship to addresses. Click on Print to download the carton labels. You can also find the ship from and ship to addresses on the shipping label. This is your FBA address. Once you download the label, your status updates to Ready to Ship from Working Now. Click on Proceed and enter the tracking ID to finish the shipment. If you don't have a tracking ID, leave it blank. And that's it. You have learned how to create a shipment plan to send your product to FBA. Open the shipment that we created, and another important thing to note is the FBA or Amazon Reference ID. Your courier partner will require this information. This is your FBA ID, and after shipment creation, your Amazon Reference ID will be available here. It may take a few minutes. You can simply copy and send it to your shipping company. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.